to install Ubuntu in your vmware workstations, you need a ISO file of Ubuntu. You can download from the downloading source page of Ubuntu. Here I am going, just Google it. You can find easily in the Google this Ubuntu. So this okay, you just search here Ubuntu and download here. In download this section, so you can download this one, Ubuntu desktop, and the ISO file. Okay, you can download it from here. I have already downloaded it, so I go in my downloaded folder. Here I'll show you. Here I think Ubuntu, yeah, this is my ISO file of Ubuntu, and here I am going to install it in virtual machines VMware, and just open here. First of all, VMware workstations, and if you didn't have subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe. And if you wanted the VMware Workstation Pro version for free, you can just go here. First download the VMware Workstation 16 Pro and go to the download section. Go to the browser. Okay, you have to open any browser first. Google surfing, and here VMware is VMware okay, Pro, VMware Workstation Pro, GitHub key GitHub. Okay, this one you have to search, and here the first one, just go and grab the key and paste during the installation of VMware. This is the key. So just paste VMware during the installation time, and now you have to just go for a new virtual machines, and here I am going to make it custom. Just select customs. Okay. Okay. Next, use the ISO file. First initial default is here, but you have to just choose this one for ISO file and just browse and select your ISO file from the desktop, from your download locations, or that file you have kept. From there you have to just select ISO file of Ubuntu and here open and go for the next step. Here you have to choose your password for the terminal for your. So I am just putting my password here, then again enter your password just for confirmations. Okay, and here this is the password. Install your Ubuntu. I think I have already, and here you can select your processor according to your computer's capability. Okay, I'm just using 2 cores and 2 processors. No, 1 core. I think I have to. Okay, I'm using 2 cores and 2 processors. So according to your, I have 12 GB RAM, and I'm using 4 GB RAM here. So let's go and click on next, and have next. You have to just select the GB according to your need. If you're gonna use your daily basis in a virtual machine in a VMware, you can just increase. No, neither you can make the default. So I just want to make it default. I don't need, I have already. Kali Linux, my main operating system. As my main operating system, I'm using Kali Linux. So the proper information that you set up, just see, and if all is okay, all the information that you put is okay, then just go then you can just and again re-edit your settings, and I'm okay with this setting, and I'm doing finish. Okay, that much. This is the way to install Ubuntu in VMware by using ISO. Just install the operating system by this process, and when you are finished with this Ubuntu, then you can just click here for suspend, or click here for resume, or okay, this is for suspend, and this is for start. Okay, this is for restart. They all virtualizations are quite easy. So this is one of the just like a virtualization, the vmware workstations you can do easily here. So it takes I think a little much time. I'll show you guys when it is finished. Okay, here is your some this is a network card. Okay, this is an desktop. I think another pointer. It didn't need you enough anymore. Okay, and now it is checking disk and no error found. Then it will boot up, and we have to install the GUI mode. So I think it take, if your laptop or computers is very good and high-ended features, so it will not take this much time for you. And here doing full screens and this for resume to see you. Okay, now Ubuntu is loaded. Here you can see the easiest way. Now it takes a lot of time to install, so you can install this and then you can launch Ubuntu. So thank you guys. If you didn't subscribe the channel, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.